Hey everybody, it's Shamika. Thank you guys for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. I appreciate your support. Well, I know I am going to make some people mad because I am going to tell you about another scam that you guys missed out on to put some money in your pocket, okay? So y'all know during COVID, there was the PPP, the SBA, idle loan. Of course, there was the unemployment insurance and all of the other scams that everybody else was doing. But here goes one that you guys didn't even know about because they don't tell us that this stuff is going on. Have you guys ever heard of the income verification tool? Well, if you haven't, it is what the Department of Education uses to determine if you qualify for Pell Grant and student loans. But did you know that since COVID, which was back in 2020, that the income verification tool has been turned off, which means if you had been applying for Pell Grant and student loan, even if you didn't qualify, you still would have gotten paid because the verification tool was turned off, which means the Department of Education was not even proving that you were even filing taxes or earning income. So what were people doing that knew this already? They were simply applying for school in the names of individuals who were incarcerated. Smart, right? Yes. And what were they doing? They were getting Pell Grant deposited onto a cash app card or a green dot or prepaid debit card, something of that nature. And they were taking that money and walking, okay? So these schools were accepting these people. They basically only paid the application fee if they even paid that. And then they enrolled these real people who actually cannot attend, but because the income verification tool was turned off, they were able to get through and get paid. Okay, now what does that mean for you guys? Well, one, it's too late, you can't do it. Okay, two, if you decide that you do want to go to school to put some money in your pocket because you need a quick turnaround for some cash, that's cool. But just know that as of April 2023, the income verification tool has been turned back on, which means that you now have to prove your income. So if you were a student and you've noticed since 2020 that you've been able to qualify for Pell Grant, even though you know you should not have gotten any money, it's because this has been turned off. So now you will not qualify unless you really meet the qualifications, simply because they're going to verify it now with the IRS. They were doing that before, but now they're going to do it even faster. And because the two systems are now going to be working together. So you guys do not get to say, I didn't file yet, okay? They are going to ask you for your permission, and they are just going to snatch that information right from the IRS to make sure that your information is truthful when filing taxes, because the income verification tool is now turned back on. Unfortunate. Doesn't it suck? You guys missed out on getting some money and you did not. It seems like the scammers always stay up on the game, which is why y'all need to watch my channel, because I'll be trying to give y'all the information to let you know. Now, I'm not telling you go out there and do it. You know, this stuff is for educational and entertainment purposes only, but you do need to know, because I know y'all hate finding out that other people done walked away with all the money and you didn't even get any. So if you want this to be you, make sure you're eligible to get your Pell Grant and Pell Grant and student loan, and then you can skip signing up for the SAVE program and not having to pay your student loans, because you will be in school deferment if you just enroll in school the right way. Get you some cash in your pocket too, in the event that you need it, okay? But you don't have to do it and run off, because you can't anyway, because this is turned back on. So if you never heard of the income verification tool, you now have. And remember guys, as of April 2023, it is turned back on. So if your child was receiving student loans or Pell Grant and they weren't supposed to, it's because the income verification tool was turned off, which means now you're kind of screwed, because now you gotta have to pay for school. Okay, I don't like it, but I didn't make the rules, but they also did not tell us that this was the thing, but I am. All right, so if you like information like this, you want to stay up on what's up and how you can put some money in your pocket the legal way, make sure you go to my YouTube page and subscribe under the same name. See you guys soon. Bye.